Hi everyone, so welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work with certificates. This kind of attack is related to my teammate of threat hunting. So I'm going to try to explain it how perform the attack and how can detect it, because right now we are going to work with certificates. The first step is understand what tool we need to execute. With CMD we can find the certify.exe because it's on a Windows environment, so we can execute a cache in order to verify the CA on the target domain. In this case is TextCorp local. Yeah, as you can see, there are the enterprise enrollments. So this is a legitimate request to the domain controller. So in this case we can find for vulnerable certificates for current user. In this case the templates are reported for the current user. So it's a no vulnerable certificates found for this user. So this is because the domain controller don't have a certificate for my actual users, don't have enrollments for my actual user. But as you can see, if we check for all certificates, it's possible use, for example, with an error. With an error we can check like this. So find enrollment supply subject. It reported what enrollment we can find. In this case, if we review the enrollment permissions to relate the certificate, it says that it required for domain admins, but there are a user of the domain USP power admin that we can try to use in order to request this certificate and gain privilege for 1 year for domain administrators privilege. So what's the follow? The follow is access to the machine and start the certificate of this user. So for access to this machine, for start this certificate from the machine, the step is the following. I need the credentials for the user, or the hash for the user jump1. So in the machine of jump1 there are a user PAW admin that it's possible that there are stored the certificate for the user. So let me show you tools. Mimicat, so privilege debug, secure LSA, pass the hash for the user jump 1, and the domain is US Tech Corp local. Right now the NTLM hash for this user is this one, and we can run a new cmd.exe for the user final exit the session. So with this new terminal using WinRS, it's possible access to the machine US jump with a CMD. So perfect. With PowerShell we can review the third of local machine my. So perfect. There are certificates of PW admin. So why can I know that the certificate is here? Because on the previous lab, number 10, maybe, I found the credential for PAW admin on this machine. It's possible that was here. How to extract it? With the same command, using this print, we can use an extract certificate. Let me check. I don't remember how to extract it. Export. So it's a export PFX certificate minus file path CAD no users public PAW-admin.pfx minus password, the password convert to secure string minus string. This is the secret pass, 1 2 3. Yeah, the parameter minus force and as plain text. I think that this is all. Yeah, the certificate was extracted on this machine. So exit right now with echo F xcopy from the target machine, that is US jump, C dollar users public PAW-admin.pfx. We can copy it to AD like this. Yeah, the file was copied, success. So we can there see AD PAW-admin.pfx. Perfect. The certificate is stored on the current machine. So right now, with a new CMD with administrator privilege, we are going to impersonate a new session with this ticket. So how can we perform it? Tools, reviews, ask TGT for the user PW admin and certificate C AD and PAW admin dot pfx. So the password is secret pass dot 123. I think that this is all. No grab and pass the ticket. So with this command should be generate or request a new TGT for this user on the current session. If all is working fine, so catalyst. Perfect. We have pound admin. So with this session, we are going to check again, say AD tools with 35. We can find vulnerable for current user. The current user is PW admin. No vulnerable templates found. So maybe I don't write. This is fine. Vulnerable current user. No vulnerable templates found, but catalyst. We can access WinRS -R to US jump with CMD. Yeah, who am I? Exit. Okay. Any case, don't worry for this output, because with the previous one, yeah, this one, it's possible request it again and verify. Perfect. So yeah, we can abuse of this template. How can we abuse of this template? It's easy. In this case, is CAD tools 35 request for a new template with what? With our SIA. The SIA name is this one, so perfect. The template is this one, so template, it's going to be, yeah, final alt name administrator. We are request the certificate for our user, so perfect. In this case, we can copy the certificate, open a new notepad and paste it. So it's possible save with C inside of new folder, test, and inside of test we can call it certificate.pem. This is a PEM file with the certificate of the template for the current user. So right now we are going to convert the certificate with this command. The first one is look for the tool OpenSSL and OpenSSL.exe pkcs12 -in c test certificate PEM parameter kx for extract the key of the certificate, CSP, this is the field of Microsoft provider, paste and export -out inside of test. We can put the third.pvx for the output, so enter sec pass 123 sec pass 123. Perfect. Inside of C test we can find our new PVX certificate, so we can review it inside of test. This is our new certificate for the user. So with the certificate we can use AD tools reviews, ask for TGT. In this certificate we can use third the user. We can request the user is administrator, the domain, no, we don't need the domain, we only need the certificate. The certificate is inside of C test third.pvx, and finally no wrap, and pass the ticket inside of this session. Oh, we need the credentials of password of this certificate, that is sec pass 123. Perfect. Catalyst. So we have the ticket signed by KRB TGT of administrator user, so we can use this session to access to the domain controller US DC CMD. So who am I? Administrator of the domain with all privileges. Host name is the USDC, IP config is this one. So I hope that you understand how it's work and learn how to export certificates and abuse of privilege for a template. So this kind of attack could be reproduced in other environments. So see you on the next video.